A little solder. Someone had asked about soldering this together. Well, I'm down to my last little piece of wire, and then I've got some recycled wire that I'm recycled solder that I'll be using. But basically, come on. Basically using this. So I'm using the last of my wire solder to solder this flower. See? So it should flow. You want a fairly decent, smooth bead. Like I say, if you have to go back and put a little bit more on there, that's what you call a solder starved joint. You shouldn't be seeing the space where the lead meets. You shouldn't be seeing your joint, and that is getting quite hot. So that's a good bead. That's a good joint. It's almost a good joint. That's a fairly lumpy. Okay. And I'm using my little Weller iron for this. I have an American Beauty that I use also from time to time. Now I'm on my recycled solder, which is what this is.